Here's how to check if your soundbar is using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So the first thing that we're going to do is to check first the soundbar. As you can see on the soundbar, there is a standby, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and USB. This only means that if there is a Bluetooth option, your soundbar is using a Bluetooth. So what we need to do is to turn on the soundbar first and wait for it to blink. Now, once it's already blink, you can now go ahead and go to the settings of your television. Now, what you need to do is go to the all settings, and then from the all settings, you can go to network and internet option. Usually, Bluetooth has seen on the network and internet option, but it depends on the television that you have. As for me, Bluetooth cannot be seen on the network and internet option. But you can go ahead and check if the soundbar is actually turning on to the audio option. And if you consider the name of your soundbar, it means that it has been automatically paired by the Bluetooth. The other way for you to be able to see if the pairing of your soundbar has been successful is go to the remotes and accessories option, and you will see there that the toggle button on the Bluetooth is turned on. Now find the name of your soundbar, and as you can see, it is already paired.